Cryptocurrency is gaining popularity as an investment tool, and many companies are looking to increase their presence in the crypto world. Some firms are investing in creating their own digital currencies, while others are simply buying up existing ones. Whatever their approach, these companies see cryptocurrency as a way to grow their businesses and make money. But here is the last update of a partnership supporting digital assets, sharing one vision and aligned purpose for operations. You are watching Altcoin Capital, your one-stop channel for everything you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency. We're here with all the wisdom, knowledge, and experience that has been gained over time trading these virtual currencies. So take down notes and never forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the tiny bell so you're always first to the latest Cryptalks. FTX, the leading crypto derivatives exchange, has announced a partnership with Dave, a banking app that allows users to make and receive payments in crypto. This move signals a big step forward for both companies as they work together to make it easier than ever for people to use cryptocurrencies in their everyday lives. First and foremost, let us go over what is what and which is which. FTX US and Dave have formed a strategic partnership that will see FTX US become the exclusive provider of crypto offerings for Dave, a banking app. With that, let us get to know Dave Banking better. Dave Banking deposits are held with the company's partner bank, Evolve Bank and Trust. This provides Dave Banking customers with FDIC insurance and a suite of banking products and services. The interest-free loan option rises from $100 a pop from $75. With a standard account, you can get up to $100 in interest-free loans. So, if you have an emergency and need cash fast, you can get up to $100 without having to pay any interest. Reviews say Dave is a good checking account for people who need some help getting their money right. Dave offers tools and tips to help you budget your money and keep track of your spending. Dave is a great way to get your financial life on track, and it is because Dave has a knack for understanding your spending habits and regular bills. He somehow always knows when you need a little help getting back on track. Isn't that just amazing? A banking application and a remedy for your spending addiction. Dave has no impact on your credit. In other words, Dave's presence or lack thereof has no effect whatsoever on your credit score. You could have the world's worst creditor, and as long as Dave is not involved in any capacity, your credit score will be just fine. No wonder FTX US considered Dave for this partnership. It is such a client-friendly banking app. As quoted from the FTX US President Brett Harrison in a press release, we consistently look to align with companies to share our vision, have unique and disruptive business models, and can help drive widespread adoption of digital assets. Dave is a great fit as they check all three boxes. And just for a bit of a munch about FTX US, the FTX.US platform provides access to a wide range of digital assets. It also offers a suite of tools and features designed to help users trade confidently and efficiently, as it is the largest crypto exchange because of its competitive trading fees and set of NFTs. It has a wide variety of NFTs available, perfect for your needs. On FTX.US, you can purchase non-fungible tokens or NFTs. This marketplace provides a way for you to invest in digital assets that are unique and rare. With NFTs, you can own a piece of digital art, music, or even a virtual world. What a jaw-dropping perk, FTX.US! On another note, FTX.US has low trading fees and is one of the main draws for prospective users. The fees are some of the lowest available in the market, which is a major selling point for FTX.US. Low fees make it more attractive to trade on FTX.US and also make it more profitable. It is a highlight that the maker and taker fees start at 0%, and 0.40%, respectively, and this means that there is no fee to make an order. But a 0.40% fee is charged when the order is taken, and the maker fee is negotiable depending what agreement has to say with the liquidity provider, but the taker fee remains the same at the end process. On the security aspect of FTX.US, the importance of security cannot be overstated, especially for cryptocurrency exchanges. FTX.US is clearly aware of this and takes measures to ensure the safety of their users. Some of these measures include state-of-the-art encryption and a rigorous verification process. Before we proceed in unraveling the benefits of the strategic partnership of FTX US and Dave Banking, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell for notifications for the latest talk in town about cryptocurrencies. Give us a thumbs up if you find this helpful for you, and tell us in the comment section what you want to see more from the Altcoin Capital. Crypto has long been a target market for Dave. They first became interested in it before it went public, when they saw its potential as an emergency technology. Dave CFO Kyle Bailman said that the startup was always interested in using crypto to provide the people a more secure and efficient way to handle transactions. Alameda Research, a crypto trading firm founded by FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, invested $15 million in Dave in a pre-IPO private placement deal last year. The firm focuses on providing liquidity and market-making services to the digital asset markets. It also trades on major crypto exchanges such as Binance, Bitfinex, Coinbase Pro, Huobi Global, Kraken, OKX, and Poloniex. And after that, FTX is investing $100 million in Dave. This investment will be made through the FTX Ventures Fund, which is worth $2 billion. FTX's $100 million investment is not an equity deal. Instead, it takes the form of unsecured convertible notes as a type of short-term debt that bear an annual interest rate of 3%. These notes can be converted into equity, typically at a discount to the current market price. This financing will help the company expand its operations and fuel growth. After this deal, Dave, the digital banking app, is enlarging on its cryptocurrency plans. The app plans to allow users to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Dave believes that cryptocurrencies will become a mainstream payment method in the future. The app plans to work with exchanges and wallets to provide a user-friendly experience. After Dave signed his deal with FTX, the company's stock surged more than 20%. This was a big win for Dave and boosted the confidence of FTX's investors. The company is now on a stronger footing than ever before. And while FTX is committed to supporting entrepreneurs like Dave who are innovating in the digital currency space, with this investment, FTX hopes to help Dave expand his business and continue to drive progress in the digital currency industry. After this, Dave also released his first quarterly earnings report as a public company. The report was Dave's first major step as a public company, and it showed strong growth. Given the current market conditions, this is an encouraging sign for shareholders. Two heads are better than one indeed. We cannot deny that partnerships like this are making it easier for common people and crypto peeps to access and be wary of crypto and its endless possibilities and opportunities in the future. Being updated to these kinds of news related to crypto is important, just as choosing which and where should we start our journey in this industry. Just as it is important that crypto gets introduced with factual and good words, it is important that doing crypto and other digital assets is consistently efficient and accessible for many people from all over the globe. Partnerships like this are indeed strategic and on the road for new growth experiences and opportunities. And that is all for the FTX investment in Dave and a strategic partnership for crypto payment and transactions. As they align in virtues and propositions in crypto and its future, the partnership is sealed. That concludes our video for today. You are watching Altcoin Capital, your one-stop channel for everything you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency. We're here with all the wisdom, knowledge, and experience that has been gained over time trading these virtual currencies. So take down notes and never forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the tiny bell so you're always first to the latest Crypt Talks. To know more is to invest more. Only here at Altcoin Capital. We'll catch you next time.